Phishing remains one of the most successful attack vectors, because even well-trained employees still engage with malicious messages. The problem isn't awareness, it's that traditional simulations don't reflect the real threats users face. Abnormal changes that. AI Phishing Coach is a new autonomous agent that delivers hyper-personalized simulations built from real phishing attacks in your environment. These aren't templates, they are real attack strategies matched to each user based on role, behavior, and risk signals. When a user interacts with the simulation, they are redirected to a coaching page that breaks down exactly what they missed: impersonation tactics, behavior, red flags, and subtle visual cues. No generic feedback, just real, relevant education tailored to the user and the threats they are most likely to face. In the Abnormal portal, admins get full visibility into every simulation: what was sent, why it was selected, and how users responded. Every open and click is tracked, and over time, AI Phishing Coach adapts, learning from user behavior to deliver increasingly relevant simulations aligned to your evolving threat landscape. But it doesn't stop there. AI Phishing Coach also powers long-term training, replacing outdated, off-the-shelf videos with dynamic content generated by AI and tailored to your organization's brand, tone, and risk profile. The result is training that actually feels like it came from your team, relevant, personalized, and aligned to your culture. As your threat surface evolves, so does the content, with minimal input required from you. Abnormal fully automates the hardest parts of a training program, from content creation to simulation delivery, adapting in real time to changing threats and user behaviors. So your team spends less time managing templates and more time strengthening your security culture. With AI Phishing Coach, you turn real attacks into real education, reduce human error, reinforce your secure posture, and stop risky clicks before they become incidents. Ready to train smarter? Request your personalized demo today.